Let's play a game. I shall write a number and name of a thing, and you will give me that thing in that number.
Okay.
Now please read the number and name of the thing.
One doll.
Please give me one doll.
One doll.
Thank you.
Two trucks.
Yes, two trucks. Now please give me two trucks.
One truck. Two trucks.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Now please give me this.
Three lollipops. One lollipop. Two lollipops. Three lollipops.
Thank you.
Welcome. Four corns. One corn, two corns, three corns, four corns. Four corns.
Thank you.
Welcome. Five cookies. One cookie, two cookies, three cookies, four cookies, five cookies.
Yes, 5 cookies. Thank you.
Welcome. Six markers. One marker, two markers, three markers, four markers, five markers, six markers.
6 markers. Thank you.
You're welcome. Seven flowers.
Yes, 7 flowers. Give me 7 flowers.
One flower, two flowers, three flowers, four flowers, five flowers, six flowers, seven flowers.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eight leaves. One leaf, two leaves, three leaves, four leaves, five leaves, six leaves, seven leaves, eight leaves.
8 leaves. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Nine sweets. One sweet, two sweets, three sweets, four sweets, five sweets, six sweets, seven sweets, eight sweets, nine sweets.
Yes, 9 sweets. Thank you.
You're welcome. 10 pencils.
Give me 10 pencils.
One pencil, two pencils, three pencils, four pencils, five pencils, six pencils, seven pencils, eight pencils, nine pencils, 10 pencils.
Yes, 10 pencils. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.